Nextworld provides multiple ways to change how applications display to reflect your personal preferences. Modifying and reordering columns. Applications displayed in list form display columns in default order that may or may not meet your needs. You can change which columns are visible and how they are ordered. To move a column to another position, drag and drop the column into the new position. You also can select the three dots in any column header and pick one of the options from the drop-down menu. Here you can move the column left or right as well as place it in the first or last position. In addition, you can freeze the column to remain viewable as you scroll to other columns. Applications include multiple fields that aren't automatically shown as columns in the list view. You can make these fields visible in the list by using Show. Similarly, you can hide those columns. Another way to modify column views is to select the columns down arrow in the lower right-hand corner to display a window where columns can be reordered, added to, or removed from view. Using favorites. You can add commonly used applications and reports to your favorites bar to make them easy to access, and select a favorite action button for an application to make it the default. To add an application as a favorite, press and hold the Shift key on the PC or Option key on the Mac, and then select the application from the menu. Another way to use favorites is to reorder how action buttons are listed. Options in the drop-down menu are listed in default order, with the first one designated as the primary action. To make an action a favorite, press and hold the Shift key on the PC or Option key on the Mac, and then select the option you want listed in the first position. Now, each time you open the application, your favorite will be listed as the primary action. Use the Nextworld Help menu to explore more information about this topic by searching on both Columns menu and Favorites.